Good morning. Myself, Mrs. Swarupa Deshpande from Advocate Bapusaheb Bonde High School, welcomes you all for today's English class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 5, Me, Myself and I. But before that, let me tell you one thing. Me, myself and I is one and the same. It is not a different person, each and every. Me is also I and I is also me. Same way myself means again I means again myself. Yes, the girl in this poem wants to tell that there are 3 different personality, but it is one and the same. Me, myself and I. She want to shows you that everyone is different in each and every thinking. Yes, as the way you think, the other will not think. Talking part is also different of every human being. Playing is also different. Learning is also different. Living part is also everyone's is different. Everyone want to live different life, right? Everyone is unique too. Yes, nobody is the same. Everyone is different and everyone is unique in playing, thinking, everything. So let's start today that me, myself and I. The poet from this poem wants to tell you that even though you are me, myself and I are one and the same, sometimes you react differently for everything. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. So let's start the lesson. Me, myself and I. Listen, sing and act. Me, myself and I. Means me, myself and I. We went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Here again the poet want to tell that we. She is telling we. She wants to tell that she is many. She is not only the one. Then my mother, she came in. Here she wants to tell you that her mother came in. That where she was? She was in the kitchen. And what she was doing? She was eating a pie. Here she wants to tell you that her mother came in the kitchen and chased us with a rolling pin. Now again here she wants to tell you that me, myself and I are different. We all are different. We are not the same by telling the word us. Us is for many, right? Okay. And what do you mean by chased? Means running after a person and chased us out with a rolling pin. It means that she came in, her mother came in and chased her out with a rolling pins. Means run after her with a rolling pin. Do you all understand? Very good. Now again, who is the poet of this poem? Anonymous. What do you mean by anonymous? Anonymous means you don't know what is the name of a poet. When you don't know the name of a poet, it is called as anonymous. It means the poet of this poem is unknown. We don't know the poet of this poem. Now we will repeat one more time. Me, myself and I. Everyone will repeat after me, okay? Me, myself and I. We went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. Poet, anonymous. Very good, all of you. See, while reading the poem, you came to know there are some rhyming words. I, pie, right? The sounds of both the words are same. I and what does I? Pie. Yes, I and pie. I, pie is the rhyming word. Yes, very good. In the same way, I, n, in and pin pin. Both are again the rhyming words. Let's learn rhyming words. I, pie, in, pin. Everyone understood? Rhyming words. I, pie, in, pin, pin. Meanings. Pie, pie, baked dish with fruit, meat or vegetables. What is the meaning of a pie? It is a baked dish which is made up of sometime fruit, sometime meat, sometime or vegetable. Normally many of you must be liking to eat that pie. Do you all know what is pie? It's like a cake, okay? But it doesn't have any cream. So what is the second meaning? Chase. What do you mean by chase? Run after the other. You know Tom and Jerry? They chase each other. Third is rolling pin. Rolling pin is used to shape and flatten the dough. Chapati mummy banati hai na? Yes. So it is used to flatten the dough. Rolling pin is the thing which is used to shape and flatten the dough. Dictation words. So what are the dictation words? Myself. 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 Second is KITCHEN. 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 PIE. 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 ATE. Eight. ATE. Eight. Next is CHASED. Chest. CHASED. Chest. ROLLING. Rolling pin. Pin. The next is rolling pin. Next is rolling pin. Everyone will practice the dictation words at your home. Now the next is about myself. Question number 3. Everyone will complete it in your textbook as well as in your notebook. Page number 50. Question number 3. About myself. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.